हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। आप सबको स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। और आज जो मेरा टॉपिक है, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट सन ट्रांजिट इन लियो फ्रॉम 16th August to 16th September 2020. Sun transit in Leo in on sign, so it is very highly beneficial transit because lot of planets are on sign, like Jupiter is in Sagittarius, Saturn is in Capricorn, and now Sun enter in a Leo sign. This is one of the very productive transit for some ascendants or some zodiac sign. So you know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, not for your moon sign, not for your zodiac sign. Now let's start for the Aries ascendants. For Aries ascendants, being a lot of your fifth house, Sun started transit in your fifth house, which is very productive transit for you. And Mars is already in your first house, is on sign. Saturn is in on sign in 10th house. Jupiter is in on sign in 9th house. And Mars receiving fifth aspect from Jupiter and Sun receiving ninth aspect from Jupiter. This is very ultimate, aspects relationship. Like Jupiter and Sun create 5-9 yoke between each other. Mars and Sun create 5-9 yoke between each other. So guys, this whole month from 16th August to 16th September will be an ultimate, a month for you. Sun transit in Leo will give you lot of happiness, lot of peace of mind. Those native who are student, they will focus on our study, they will clear our whole vision about our education. And those people who are dealing in smart gains like speculation or stock market, they will get bundles of profits. Some new deals will enter in your life, some new friends will knock you, there is strong chances for new partnership. You need to focus on your work. The more you put effort, the way you put effort, the way you get fantastic results beyond your expectations. Because Sun is in fifth house, is a Lakshmi Sthan. You will get a lot of good finances. Money came from hidden source, money came from your business or your profession. Even unexpected money will knock you. This is a time when your all desires and wishes will be fulfilled. Because all planet is in right direction and very good, transit. This is a time when you enjoy thoroughly, even no mentally disturbance. You will enjoy all type of comforts, luxury, materialistic gains, and your spouse and family will support you. Sun transit in fifth house will bring lot of happiness, especially in the terms of smart gains. And those native who are involved in entertainment industry, they will get a new deal, they will get a new contract. So this is a highly productive time for Leo ascendants. Now I am going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants, for you, being a lot of your fourth house, Sun started transit in your fourth house. This is very beneficial transit for you. You will get some peace of mind. You will get some, homely atmosphere will be ultimate. And there's a strong chances to promotion. If you are in job in foreign land, you will definitely get promotion in this month or in this week, coming week after 16th August. There's a strong chances you may meet someone, a new friend or old one, you may start a new business partnership with someone. Taurus ascendants, this is a highly productive transit for you. Especially relationship with you and your family will be good. Relationship with you and your mother will be good. And this is a time when you will be top and you will be sky high. Your all desires will be fulfilled and you will enjoy all type of comforts. There is a lot of work pressure on you, but you are able to manage all this work pressure nicely. Overall, this is a highly beneficial transit for you, and there is strong chances for change of place or change of job is also seen in your birth chart. Those native who are interested to settle in foreign land, then this is the right time. You may apply your PR, you may apply your visa, you may get a work permit. There's a strong chances to settlement in foreign land for Taurus ascendants. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants, being a lot of your third house, Sun started transit in your third house, which is very promising for you. Your willpower will be on another height, and your siblings will support you. You will get a lot of monetary gains. Health will be better. You will enjoy all type of comforts. You will get a lot of good orders or a lot of good gains through communications. Your friends, they are a far place. They are a far place from your birth land. They will give you fantastic results. Short distance journey will give you lot of good benefits. This is a time when you will get your reputation back, when you will be sky high, and you will earn a lot of good gains through your hard work, through your efforts. The more you do your best in your professional life, the more you get positive results in your professional life. Overall, Gemini ascendants, you will be in a comfort zone in this month. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendus. Cancer Ascendus being a lord of your second house, Sun started transit in your second house. This is one of the ultimate transit for you, because second house is a Dhan Bhav, second house is a Kutum Bhav. When Sun started transit here, you will get support from your family. You will get support from your, mother, father, brother, sister, or your spouse. You may get some advantage. You may get some advantage from these relationship, and some smart money will knock you. Your savings will be rise, and you will get a lot of finances, lot of benefits will knock you. This is a time when your all desires will be fulfilled, especially money related matters will be sought out, and your savings will be rise. You will earn a lot of money, bundles of money will knock you. This is a time when your all desires will be fulfilled related to materialistic gains, and you will enjoy a lot of peace of mind and comfort, because Sun is in on sign in second house. Especially your family will support you, your parents will support you. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendus. Leo Ascendus, you are already facing very good period because transit is in your favor. So now your Ascendus Lord enter in your first house. This is a very, very productive time for the start from 16th August to 16th September. These 30 days will change your whole scenario. You will enter in a new horizon, you will get smart gains. If you are in any type of old deal, your deal will be granted. You will get good financial terms with your partners. You may invest your money in stock market, or there's a strong chances to invest your money in somewhere where you will get fantastic results. Leo Ascendus dynamics is in your favor. Jupiter is in Sagittarius, Saturn is in Capricorn, Mars is in Aries, and now Sun enter in your first house. This is a highly productive and beneficial time for you. So guys, you should take advantage of this period, and your confidence level will be sky high. You will enjoy good health whole this month, and you will enjoy all type of comforts and benefits. So now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendus. You need to be careful about your over expenditures will irritate you. Your savings will be, your savings is not balancing, and your over expenditures will irritate you. You are not feeling comfort zone, because this is a time when sudden unexpected expenditures will irritate you, and you may become a part of any litigation or any, you can say, related to legal matters will irritate you, or your money spent on legal matters. So don't trust on anyone. Don't sign any contract or any document without read or without clarification, because this is a time when someone cheats you. Those native who wants to settle in foreign land or trying to settle in abroad, then this 30 days will be highly beneficial. If you apply for your work permit in any company, you will get granted and you will get work permit. This is a very good period to settle in foreign land, but you need to be careful while signing any documents, while making any commitment with anyone, because this is not a very productive transit for you, because it is in 12th house. So guys, you need to be careful and alert related to your over expenditures will irritate you, and you need to be careful about your health also. Overall, money will came from several way. Even you will get multiple source of earning, and finances will come. But the problem is that expenditures will be sky high, which is creating very difficulty to maintain your savings. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. For Scorpio Ascendants, Sun transit in your 10th house, which is very productive for you. Jupiter is in your second house, and Sun is in your 10th house. Saturn is in your 3rd house. Mars is in your 6th house. This whole combination will create a very good business venture. You may start a new business with someone, or there is strong chances you may get some unexpected money, unearned money, or there is strong chances your finances will be upgraded, your savings will be rise, and you will start a new business with someone. There is a strong chances you may invest your money with some of your friends, and they will give you very fantastic results. Professionally, you will be top. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. This whole month, this whole 30 days from 16th August to 16th September will be a game changer for you. You will be top, you will be sky high, and your all desires related to your job and related to your work will be fulfilled. Those people who are unemployed, they may get job. Those native who are planning to start any new business, they may start new business in this 30 days. And this is a highly productive days for you. If you wanna start anything new, you must start. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendus. Sun transit in your 9th house, which is ultimate position of Sun. You may get new job. There is a strong chances to switch off your old job and enter in a new horizon. You will get promoted, your salary will be rise, and you will enjoy all type of benefits. Next 30 days will be highly remarkable for you. when your all desires related to your job and work will be fulfilled. Good fortune started smile for you, and you will be sky high, you will be top, and your all desires will be fulfilled. And there is strong chances for some religious activities at your work, at your home, or you may travel to some religious journey. This is a time when your father blessings work for you, and you may get some inheritance from your parents' side. Sagittarius, you need to focus on your work, try to your best, because you will get job, you will get new work, you will get new order. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Capricorn, Sun transit is in your 8th house. You need to be careful about your health. Some hidden problems will irritate you. Some stomach related pain will irritate you. Some backbone related trouble will irritate you. You may become a part of any litigation. Your money spent on litigation or any type of legal matters. So you need to be careful while dealing with your spouse, and keep calm, be polite, be humble, keep smiling on your face. God is Saturn is testing your patience, and Sun enters in your 8th house will create some mental issues which is not tolerable for you. So you need to start meditation or yoga every day morning. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendant. Aquarius, Sun started transit in your 7th house, which is a house of partnership. A strong partnership seen in your birth chart. A strong partnership, a strong business venture seen in your birth chart, because Sun started transit in your 7th house from your ascendant. This is one of the wonderful transit for you. Your source of earning will rise, your spouse will support you, your business partner will support you. You will enjoy a lot of financial benefits in next 30 days, or you may invest new money in business, or you may get good profit from your old investment. This is a time when your old desires will be fulfilled, your confidence level will be sky high. But you need to be patient, because sometimes aggression and loose talk create some problem in your relationship. Don't try to be a humble, and don't speak any harsh word with anyone. Sun is in 7th house will create some stomach related problem, but you need to take care of yourself. Overall, this is a very productive transit for your money matters. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendant. For Pisces ascendant, Sun started transit in your 6th house, which is very good for you. If you have debts, your debts will be clear. If you want to try a new loan from government, your loan will be granted. Higher authority will support you. You will get a lot of business during these 30 days. You will get new job if you are unemployed. If you have any type of health issues, your health issue will be removed, and you will enjoy all type of comforts. Sun transit in your 6th house in 30 days, which is a game changer period for you, because 6th house, Sun is an on house, will give you lot of strength, lot of peace of mind, lot of good health, and lot of confidence to do something good in your life. So guys, you need to focus on your work, because planets is on right direction now. If you wanna start something new, must consult with your nearest astrologer. If Mahadasha and Antardasha supporting you, you will definitely rock, you will definitely sky high, and you will get lot of big advantage in next 30 days from 16th August to 16th September. I am praying for your happy future. We will try to make some new things during this Sun transit. So I suggest to all of my viewers, do something good and try to do best and stay positive. Don't go in depression or tension, because time is very productive. If you do your best, you will definitely achieve some milestone. So guys, if you want to know more about Sun transit in Leo, must visit my website www.akastrologyzone.com, and must subscribe my channel if you like my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.